Alright guys, welcome to Dice Media TV once again. Today I'm going to teach you how to claim $500 for free. Alright, so as you can see, when you go here, you can see that this is the sign up bonus. Sign up giveaway is 5,000, equivalent to $500. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to claim this for free. This project has a good future, so please don't miss this project. I'll be leaving their website in the description box. When you tap on their site link, it will redirect you to a site like this. I would like to browse through a brief information about this project. So you can see that they are going to, the total supply in their system is 20 billion, and they are going to use 12.9 billion as airdrop, and they are going to sell 4 million public sale. So you can see that the airdrop is even higher than the pre-sales that they are going to do, and they will keep 3 billion as reserve, and they will use the 3.34 billion for exchanges and liquidity. Please don't miss this project. So this is their founder team. You have the Anthony Jack, you can just go through and read it yourself. Maurice Jones, we have the Austin Brown, and we have the William Carr. So this is their roadmap. It says in 2023 May, a Neptune network has established initial partnership with cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance and FIBO, and has obtained improvement, update and implementation plan from future mainstream exchanges. So it means that this coin is going to be a great thing in the future. Around January 2024, their coin is going to be launched on the mainstream and most of the exchanges like Binance and the FIBO that they stated earlier. The coin has a great future. So when you scroll back to the top, you can get their app on the Google Play Store. So when you tap here, it will direct you to Google Play Store, and you'll be seeing install here, then you install. Some of the phones are not accepting the Google Play Store on, so when you open the Google Play Store and it doesn't open, just go back and come and use this one. So this one is for only 100 users. So when you tap here, they will ask you to download it. Alright, so after you finish downloading the app, go to open or tap on it to open. When you go to open, go to create a wallet. So when you tap on create a wallet, you tap here, click to get private key. So tap here, tap where they've written click to get private key. So when you tap there, you will get your private key. Your private key will be there. Please take note of this private key. This private key is your logins. The private key is what you are going to use to open the account, so write it somewhere. Alright, so they will ask you to enter the verification code that you see here, then you enter your password, then you go to create. So when you go to create, this is where they will ask you to copy your private key. So you copy the private key, then you go to next. So when you go to next, they will ask you to enter the private key here, paste the private key, then you enter your password that you use for the registration. So that is how it will be done when you are logging in. You use your private key and your password, then you go to confirm. Alright, so as you can see right now, here is $0. So I'm going to teach you the next process, how here will be $500 as you see previously. Alright, so you have to go to MINE, the MINE here. When you go to the MINE, you go to invite friends. When you go to invite friends, they says enter or scan to bind. So you have to bind your account with this referral ID. Please kindly use this code after you finish downloading. So you will enter 1CDY7V, then you go to bind. After it says binding successful, go to wallet, then refresh the app. You'll be seeing your $500 here. So anytime you refer each person, you are going to get $500, and the person is going to also get $500. So the more you refer, the more you claim more tokens. This is what you will use to refer people. So anytime you refer anybody, the person have to use this before he or she can get $500. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like and comment and share for other people to enjoy this project, and also follow us on all our social media platforms in the description box. Thank you very much.